All right, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So it's Wednesday, and for all you who followed me for a while, you know it's Wish Wednesday, so it's an opportunity for you guys to wish for songs here on Gordon Guitar and for me to bring them up on this beautiful day, Wednesday. So hence Wish Wednesday. So now we have a song from Sinxi called Beside Me. And it's you, Thomas Grimes, who wished for this song. So this is special for you. And for all you fans of this kind of songs, like we had Skelly here before, and this is like in the same genre there when it comes to how the sound is and how you play it. So Sinxi Beside Me for you, Thomas Grimes, and let's start this one up. We need to set a capo here on the second fret, and with that we have 3 chords and a melody, which is played through the entire song if you wish, or you can combine it with strumming patterns. So we'll look at both things there. First and foremost, the chords. So we'll go from D minor to C and to A sharp. And that's the 3 chords we have. So let's start with the D minor. It's open D, second G, third B, and first E. That's D minor. Then we have C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And then the final chord will be A sharp. So you need a bar here on the first fret from the A string and down. And that is 5 strings if you count from bottom up. So you just put a bar there on the first fret. So you let the E go there. And then the rest will be third on D, third on G, and third on B. So there you had the 3 different chords, D minor, C, and A sharp. All right, so the chord progression for this song will be D minor, C, A sharp, and back to C. So that is one round. And you can do that, like I mentioned, with the melody or with the strumming. We'll look at the melody part first. And when it comes to the melody, we will have a different grip when it comes to how to play it, because we don't need the full grip when it comes to what you need to pick for the song. So the D minor, which is the first chord, the grip will be like this, so it's totally changed from the standard chord D minor there. So the grip we need is this. So that will be 5th on the A string, then 3rd on the D string, and 6 on the B string. Okay, so this is the best way of playing it. So when you have that grip, you will play this part. Okay, so you just play from the 3 strings that you're holding there. So we'll start with the 5th A, then 3rd D, then 6th B, and back to 3rd D. Okay, so 5th A, 3rd D, 6th B, 3rd D. You play that for 2 rounds, so. And then you add 5th on A and 3rd on D on the second time, okay? So far we played. Okay? And then you play the same pattern again for just 1 round. 5th on A, 3rd on D, 6th on B, and 3rd on D. Okay, so that is the D minor parts. I think I need to play through so you just understand how the rhythm goes. It goes like this. So that's the D minor part. Then we're gonna go to the C. And what I think is the easiest way to do that is if you're holding like me here, I'm holding the on the 5th fret A string. I'm holding that one with my ring finger, and then index finger on the D string and my little pinky on the B string. So that is my grip, my fingers I'm using for the D minor chord. So the transition to the C, we need to hold the 3rd fret on A and 3rd fret on D. So in my opinion, the easiest way is to keep the ring finger here on the A string and just slide it up here to the 3rd fret A and put your little pinky underneath there on the 3rd fret D. So you're going from this D minor grip to this C grip. That's the only thing you need to hold. 3rd on A, 3rd on D. That's the important thing. How you do that, it's up to you. I do it in this way. So yeah, all right. So that's the grip. When you hold that, you're gonna play this part. Okay, so you're gonna play 3rd on A, 3rd on D, then open E, top notes. Then you just alternate the 3rd on A with 3rd on D 2 times. And that's it for C. So again, 3rd A, 3rd D, open E, 3rd A, 3rd D, 3rd A, 3rd D. So it sounds like this. It goes pretty fast there, so especially the final 4 notes there, the alternating there, D and A 4 notes goes pretty fast. So, all right. And then we are finished with the C. We will go to the A sharp chord. And for this, I hold it, like I mentioned here, with these fingers, the ring finger, a little pinky. The next grip for A sharp, you hold this, okay? So you don't need the bar or anything like this when you play the melody. It's later when we look at the strumming, you need to hold a chord, bar chord. Now it's enough to hold it just like this, and that is 1st fret on A string, and then 3rd fret on D, and 3rd fret on B. Okay, so I go from this grip and just put everything down there like that. All right, then you're gonna play this part. Okay, so the pattern here is exactly the same as in the D minor. So the strings you will play here will be exactly the same. It's just a different grip. So that gives us 1st fret A string, 3rd fret D string, 3rd fret B string, and back to 3rd fret D string. You play that for 2 rounds. So. And then you end with the 1st fret A string and 3rd fret D string on the 2nd round. And then you start a 3rd round again with 1st fret A string, 3rd fret D, 3rd fret B, and 3rd D. And that's it for the A sharp chord. So together it sounds like this. Right, and then you go back finally to the C chord, and I go back with the same fingers again. I release the grip here from A sharp and go up with my 2 favorite fingers there, ring finger, little pinky, and play the same pattern as we played before. Okay, and then you have fulfilled 1 round. So that is the melody. I think I'm gonna give you everything here so you understand how it's done, played in a context here. And I'm gonna take down the tempo so you really can listen to all the notes we're playing. So let's go from the start here. D minor, C, A sharp, C. it's a little bit faster. It sounds like this. So on, yeah. So that is the melody, and now it's time for the strumming. So now it's time to hold the chord as they are. So D minor, C, and the A sharp chord. We need to look at this strumming pattern. It's divided into two different parts because we just use the full strumming for one of these chords. So the chord we're gonna play full strumming for will be no, actually it's two of them, so the D minor and A sharp. So we can look at the D minor to see how a full string pattern will be played. So it sounds like this. And that is one round. Slowly. Yeah, so the first part will be down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so down, down, up, clap, and then up, down, up. Down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. And that is the first part, and the second part will be up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So if you connect these two parts, it will be down, down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So it's a short little break there between part one and part two. So slowly it goes like this. So there we have the part one and part two. So the chord progression will be D minor. You're gonna play one full strumming round for D minor plus part one. So it will be down, down, up, clap, up, down, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up, and then part one, down, down, up, clap, up, down, up, like this. And then you quickly change to C and play the part two. So up, clap, up, down, up. And then you go to the A sharp and play in the same way as you play the D minor, which means one full strumming round plus part one. And then you switch to C finally and play again part two. And there you have one chord progression with strumming. So slowly it goes like this from the beginning. There, my friends, you have the whole song from Sinxi called Beside Me. So that was it, Mr. Thomas Grimes. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope it was helpful, especially for you since you wished for it. So yeah, message to all you guys, keep on wish here on Gorn Guitar. Perhaps it's your song and I'll do my best to cover as many songs as I can, at least one every Wednesday. That's my goal. So hope you enjoy it, and I hope you see you next time. Till then, take care and play tuned.